Shiva Shiva Shambho.
Place of Sagas, Rishikesh, is a spiritual town situated 24 kilometers upstream from Haridwar, at the confluence of the Chandrabhaga and Ganga. Lying in the foothills of the Himalayas of the Garhwal region, where the holy Ganga river comes down, the town is surrounded by scenic beauty of the hills. One of the landmarks of Rishikesh is the Lakshman Jhula, situated in Muni Ki Reti in Tehri Garhwal. Its significance is that Lord Lakshmana crossed Ganges on jute ropes between the place where this bridge is built. It was completed in 1929. Another landmark is the Ram Jhula. It is a similar bridge which was built in 1986 further downstream from Lakshman Jhula. Lakshman Jhula is surrounded with different spiritual places.
Shiva 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 Shambho. Shiva 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 Shambho.
And also the lively markets, where a number of tourists are attracted by a large variety of products. It is one of the best areas for shopping in Rishikesh. There are a number of shops for clothes, spiritual things, and lot of other things. Among these, handicrafts is a major attraction. And other attractions like sandalwood products, wooden products, Rudraksh products, etc. One can also find a number of hotels around this area for a stay. And for food, there are different restaurants and cafes. Among these, German Bakery is one of the most popular food attractions of this area. The German Bakery is serving from almost 15 years now. Sitting at the Ganga Ghat is a very serene feeling. The flow and sound of water and the sounds of the surrounding. Yet there is a satisfying silence. There is also a boat service available to cross the river. Rishikesh is also known as the adventure capital, and rafting is the most popular water sport among the tourist attractions of Rishikesh. Tourists wind up an adventurous rafting journey here at the Ganga Ghat. There are a number of yoga centers near Lakshman Jhula and Ram Jhula. Rishikesh is considered to be sacred as it is believed that meditation at this place leads to attainment of salvation. Going towards Ram Jhula, you find similar markets around as near Lakshman Jhula. Across Ram Jhula, there is another market in Swarg Ashram with a lot of varieties. In Swarg Ashram is located the Gita Bhavan at the banks of holy river Ganga. It is a large complex which has several halls and over 1,000 rooms for the comfortable stay of devotees free of cost. Parmarth Niketan, located nearby, is an ashram situated in the lap of the lush Himalayas. The ashram was founded in 1942 by Swami Sukhdevanandji Maharaj. It is the largest ashram in Rishikesh with over 1,000 rooms. It provides a clean, pure and sacred atmosphere to thousands of pilgrims who come from all corners of the world. In the daily routine of Parmarth Niketan is the Ganga Aarti, held at sunset, which is attended by a number of visitors, both tourists and locals, at the ghats of Ganga. The view of this Ganga Aarti is so grand and beautiful. Foreign tourists not only come and attend the Aarti but also take part in it. It depicts the vast Indian culture. The sight is so alluring. Attending this Aarti makes one feel secluded.
बिल्कुल सही सुना है आपने। What? फीवर है चढ़ने अलग, थोड़ा हार्ड सा होके, थोड़ा जेंटल सा होके, थोड़ा सेंटी सा होके, थोड़ा मेंटल सा होके, सारे 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 सारे, let's not joke.